जीएसटी आदाय रे आगरे ओडिशा सरकार को टिकस सरलीकरण पदक्षेप जो आज सफलता पाइछि राज्य। लोकसभा रे जीएसटी संशोधन बिल उपरे बीजेडी सांसद शर्मिष्ठा सेठी एही प्रतिक्रिया रखिछंती। बिजु जनता दल पक्षरु बिल समर्थन रे पक्ष रखिथिले शर्मिष्ठा। राज्य गुड़िक ठीक समय जीएसटी क्षतिपूरण पाइबा उचित। जीएसटी क्षतिपूरण ठीक समय न पाइबारु राज्य सरकार को जन कल्याण नीति उपरे प्रभाव पड़ुछि बोली कहिसंती शर्मिष्ठा। केन्दुपत्र उपरे अधिक जीएसटी हार प्रसंग मध्य उठाइथिले सांसद। केन्दुपत्र उपरु 18% जीएसटी आदाय जोगु क्षति सहुछंती केन्दुपत्र तोलाड़ी। एने ए जंगलजात द्रव्य केन्दुपत्र उपरु जीएसटी हटाइबा पई अर्थ मंत्रणालय को अनुरोध करिथिले सांसद शर्मिष्ठा।
Subsequently, Odisha has registered a phenomenal growth rate of 100.77% in the state GST collection in November this year from November last year. Sir, coming back to the issues that I want to raise, full compensation to the state for loss of revenue on account of GST implementation is getting delayed unduly. State revenues have taken drastic fall due to pandemic. I urge upon the government to release the pending GST compensation to the states on time. The Centre's November 2021 notification to increase the goods and service tax GST on several textiles and apparel from 5% to 12% for items with a value slab of above rupees 1,000 is a big blow to the handloom sector. The handloom and craft sector is under severe distress, as the average handloom's household income is only rupees 3,042 per month. I would request through you, sir, for a consideration to the proposal of flat 5% GST on all textile and apparel products. The GST Council has imposed 28% GST tax on full face value of bets placed on online gaming as opposed to gross gaming revenue. The decision was implemented from 1st October 2023 with a review after 6 months. A consequence of GST Council's decision is need to decide whether the amendment is clarificatory and therefore has a retrospective application, or whether it should be made effective only after 1st October 2023. This is important for estimating past period liabilities. Hence, a clarification is needed. Sir, India needs to simplify its tax system to ease the compliance burden on small and medium businesses. Simplifying tax rates would add to the MSMEs, make imports competitive and improve exports prospects. GST on kendu leaves has been increased from 5% to 18%. Central tax on kendu leaf was earlier 0. Central government should place this matter in the GST Council and revise the rate to 5%.
कोविड महामारी परे टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर असुविधार सम्मुखीन होइछंती। तेणु समस्त टेक्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट उपरे जीएसटी 5% को ह्रास कराजिबा उचित बोली कहिथिले सांसद शर्मिष्ठा सेठी। जीवन रक्षाकारी औषध एवं चिकित्सा अनुसंधान रे डाक्तरखाना रे व्यवहृत हेउथबा सामग्री उपरु मध्य जीएसटी छाड़ कराजाउ बोली जुक्ति रखिथिले बीजेडी सांसद शर्मिष्ठा सेठी। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, न्यूज अड्डा ओडिशा।